Namaste children, this is Nancy from Dalmia Vidya Mandir, Dalmiapuram. See, in the previous class we have seen about integers. Now I am going to ask some questions. Have you heard about half kg sugar, 3/4 top, 2.5 liters oil? I know definitely your answer will be yes. Half kg, half, 2.5, 3/4. See, these are all nothing but what? Fractions. These are all nothing but what? Fraction. These are all called fractions. Yes. Today we are going to start the second lesson. We are going to see the second lesson, fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals. In that we are going to see about fractions. Second unit, fractions and decimals. Fractions and decimals. In that we are going to see about what? Fractions. See, fraction is nothing but it's a part of a whole. Fraction is nothing but what? It's a part of a whole. See, here for example 1 by 5. 1 by 5 is an example for what? Fraction. It can be written in the form of what? I have written this 1 by 5 in the form of P by Q. Fraction is nothing but it's a part of a whole, and we can write fraction in the form of P by Q. Here P is called numerator and this Q is called denominator. Here 1 is numerator and this 5 is what? Denominator. Okay, today we are going to see about types of fractions. Today we are going to see about types of fractions. See here, we have one full watermelon. Here, it has divided into 2 equal parts. So each part is called what? 1 by 2 or half. Each part is called what? 1 by 2 or half. Here, the whole part is divided into 4 equal parts. The full watermelon is divided into 4 equal parts. So here each part is what? 1 by 4. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4, this is 1/4. See, these are all the examples for what? Fraction. So that I told fraction is nothing but it's a part of a whole. Fraction is nothing but what? It's a part of a whole. Here the full circle is divided into 2 equal parts. So here I can represent this one as 1 by 2. This one as 1 by 2 because total number of parts 2 and each part is called what? 1 by 2. This is half of the part. This is also half of the full part. And here the numerator 1 and the denominator is 2. Next we are going to see about what? Types of fractions. Types of fractions. What are fractions we have? Proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, equivalent fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, vulgar fractions and complex fractions. I'll tell you what is proper fraction. Proper fraction is nothing but if the numerator is smaller than the denominator. If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, we can say that fraction is what? Proper fraction. For example here 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 7 by 10. These are all what? Examples for proper fraction. Why? Because in all the fraction numerator values are smaller than the denominator values. I hope you understood about proper fraction. Next type, improper fraction. Improper fraction is nothing but if the numerator is greater than the denominator. If the numerator is greater than the denominator, we can say 5 by 2 is a improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. And next type is what? Mixed fraction. Next type is what? Mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is nothing but it can be written as a whole number with a proper fraction. Here 2 is whole number and 1 by 2 is what? Proper fraction. We can convert improper into mixed one. Similarly, we can convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. I'll show you how to convert improper into mixed, mixed into improper. Here 3 by 7 is an example for proper fraction. Why? Here numerator 3 is smaller than the denominator. So it is an example for what? Proper fraction. Next 7 by 4 I have written. What you have to say? Can you say this is proper? No. Why? Because numerator is greater than the denominator. 7 is greater than 4, so we cannot say this is proper. We have to say this is what? Improper fraction. We have to say this one is what? Improper fraction. Now I am going to explain how to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. To convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, we have to divide numerator by denominator. Here numerator value is 7, denominator value 4. Just take how many 4 in 7? Only 1 4. 1 4 is 4. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 4, 3. How you have to convert into mixed form? Just to bring this quotient value as a whole number. This 4 you should write in denominator. This divisor you just write in denominator. And this remainder you should bring it in the numerator. That means in top. See, this one you should bring it as a whole. This one you should bring it in denominator. This one you should bring it in numerator. Now I have written mixed form for this 7 by 4. This 7 by 4 equal to 1 3 by 4. Same way we can convert this mixed fraction into 7 by 4. To convert into improper, just multiply this whole number with 4. 1 with 4. 1 into 4. Then add that answer with the numerator. Divide by 4. Same denominator should write here. 1 4 is 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Did we get the improper fraction value? Yes. So we can convert improper into mixed fraction. We can convert mixed fraction into improper. I hope you understood how to convert improper into mixed, mixed into improper. Next, the fourth type is equivalent fractions. See, here, this picture we can represent as 2 by 2. Why? Total number of parts, 2. Total number of parts we should write in denominator.